Max, let the girls play. Max.
I'll go get the spider thing.
Get the rope.
Let the girls play.
And then maybe like,
Go get the spider again. And
why
then,
can't I play too? I'm a good boy.
Let
yeah.
the girls play.
Yeah, because they're not going to have a slumber party tonight.
I'm going to tell them where the spider is.
It's on your TV in your bedroom.
Come on, your little heart stick feet, huh, Max?
Like, where's she going?
You can leave the door
He
open.
was
I know,
when you
look
do
at
that
that.
with your always like, where's he going?
Think he's comfortable?
He's calm. That's the calm
I
position.
know.
Max.
Oh, Max, put your book down.
We got serious all of a sudden.
Look at that face. You know. And this is some of us waiting again.
He knows that. Like, he's going to jump to the shelf. He knows.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Maybe you should put the legs up a little bit more.
Got a Jim up there.
So I got him. Oh,
Atta boy.
Where is it?
Here you got it.
Did you get it?
video. I didn't picture it. Yeah, because I was.
Get away!
Oh no.
Yeah, you know, Raven never wants anything if somebody else has it.
Oh.
I have to, you know, I really like seeing this.
We're gonna go back up. I can't get him.
No, he doesn't care either.
If everybody's going to do it now.
He's like, I got him. Don't worry about it.
Wait, turn this way. Let me see. Max got the
Your
spider.
little heart is beating.
Yay.
Look at his paws. See how they're open like that? That's how he does when he don't like something. Like when you try to put him in the bathtub, his paws like this, all of a sudden they open like this.
Apparently he doesn't like this.
No, you don't like Jerome having him.